Anybody else got chills? Anybody else got chills?
Yeah, that was
Your tummy?
Oh my
going.
gosh. That was so cool.
Oh man, look at that.
Oh, nice.
Oh my gosh, how fun. I'm glad they played it. It was so worth it.
Yeah, drop me the first one. Because I got that one.
That's what I heard.
Oh, that's great. We got a tray.
How cool.
Is that it? I thought I heard him say they were going to land, but
You got your radio on you?
yeah, he's going to land.
Super. Blue diesel Ford truck. I remember that.
I remember there was a banana peel on the back that was there. That whole field.
Why didn't you do something about it?
Because I don't know, it was a kind of a legendary thing. You know? It was like, there's a lot of lore around this United States ago. Yeah, there was. Oh yeah.
Really?
Oh yeah. People talk about you the one that won
Negatively?
you can laugh.
No, I can't. This guy's basically his arm the doctor and so this guy's got more guts than you or I do. What's the most beautiful thing to do? Come on fast. The wind is on. That's history. First landing they ever made on First Lake of it.
Yeah.
They gonna anchor jack?
No, they're just going to taxi around and take off again.
Oh, really?
Yeah, no. This is just a drive-by.
Those planes are famous for their range.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be like a 12-hour range or something like that.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, let's see.
Now, babe, I haven't been on banana peel in my truck. I don't qualify.
That banana peel has given me so much feeling over the years. Like I thought about it. I'm like, that also really comes to mind.
Well, thank you for calling me awesome.
Awesome. Maybe I spent too much time in
Absolutely. Yeah, I already have a boat there and I absolutely love it. You must have some shells out here.
I've got that pear in the house.
Nice. Pear's my favorite.
A pocock wooden pear.
I remember that one.
So, well, this one you haven't seen. It's always been up here.
Okay.
So when you use the restroom or you're in the house, you'll see it hanging up there.
Okay.
And I have a fluid design single, I have a pocock single, and I have a Hudson single here.
Take the pear out with them.
3 or 4 people I went with.
It really is an art form.
Well, it's my favorite boat. The balance, it's just perfection.
Get my place up here, I would be super happy to get the rides to the You're going to coach something.
Thank you. I hope you get it. There are a lot of places for sale. You should find one.
Yeah, I hope so.
This sold in about a couple of months. It was on the market 6.5.
He was supposed to.
Okay.
From what I understand.
I couldn't talk to her until like to my son. She was there. I'm like this, and I shut this way, and then she finally.
That was Norway?
That was in California. We got the cab. I used to live in San Francisco. Riot crowd. Where did you go?
I'm going up there.
Yeah. You're still working on it? Yeah, me too.
Grew up in there.
Yeah. Figure it out.
You know,
Oh, yeah. Fantastic.
Mount Kisco, Medford.
Oh, I don't know anything about the city.
Okay, I was born in the city.
Okay.
Out in the country.
Oh, okay. So that's not quite Albany.
No. Albany is
My mom's family made it from south of Albany to west of Albany.
what city is that?
Sure. It's actually a very, very popular city. The name of which is
I'm probably getting off
Cool. Then I'll send you the other one.
Yep. Let's look down. Over there.
It's on final right now.
That's what the one thing is up
I knew I saw this one. Nothing's cute.
Launch Koi, it's out of Eugene. Yeah. You know the other Yeah, Skyfair. Yeah, it's the same one.
I sent you two.
Yeah, Koya.
They're like right after each other. They still came up fairly well. Yours took a minute, so that'll take. Yeah, I got LTE 3 powers.
I got this other story.
Oh, I haven't logged in. Now we're staying down at the inn in Priestley. Oh, yeah. They came out and okay. I left my Canon in the carcass. I'll get a lot of shots.
Yeah, it came out of Eugene.
Look at that. Look at that spray.
Peter's flying it. Miguel, where did you come from? No, I mean, where do you think, where's the plane based? Yeah, Jay's flying back.
We came out of Olympia today.
It does, that's right. And 2 pilots. Requires 2 pilots. I see a dinghy, it looks like that's cool.
So where's she gonna dock? Or more, I guess. Oh, I see it. Okay, right between the two. Oh, over there. Oh, sweet.
Wow, this is 25 on the wrong way. Yeah, I would guess in the 30s, 3,000 foot.
104 foot across.
They want to just go over.
Even the boss. Everybody's worried about that.
Wait, I just said you did. I just. I was like, wait a minute, I swear to your You're gonna blackmail you the rest of the day. That's right. I don't mind that. I'm okay on this.
Don't drink that. Don't drink that water.
Limit your mobility.
This is the place to go when you see things you don't see every day.
No kidding, right?
Yeah. See that every day. There's another one. Oh, yeah.
My building's standing. He said, we can do a lot, but if you go in there and you need it done, we're going to come in and paint it, repaint it, you know, wash all your everything. So he said, the problem is if you wait too many days past an event, then they look for little ways out. He says, I'm not going to file a claim, I'm going to file it.
Even the mallard was a toy. Yeah.
I'm glad he can all
Addison, when you buy one? Out of my league. Come on, Addison.
We're having one over at Arlington. Sat there.
Yeah.
I made an Airbnb out of it. Stuck it.
Yeah.
Security's not working, doing their job.
Get out of the way.
I wish I could fly it.
Had that bread truck.
We were up there one time.
I had a prop up. Really? I might head back over. Yeah. Yeah, mine is even well, yeah.
I was like, wait a minute. How does that work?
I've got it.